Friends, I am Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of Homeo-Remedy Agaricus muscarius. In short, musk. Agaricus mus. Full name Agaricus muscarius. Common name fly, fungus or toadstool. Source mushroom. Vegetable kingdom. What are the therapeutic uses of Agaricus muscarius? Skin disease, chorea, delirium, epilepsy, enteric fever, lumbago, rheumatism, headache, suppressed eruptions, debauchery, alcoholism, etc. and etc. What are the spheres of action of Agaricus muscarius? This medicine acts upon nerve, brain, blood vessels, skin and mucous membrane. Others. Temperament, nervous, hot or chilly patient. This is the picture of the source. From this source, this medicine is prepared. Mental journals of Agaricus mus. They talk, sing, make verses, hilarious, incoherent action, change rapidly from subject to subject but do not answer. Loquacity, won't perform any task, especially mental ones. Selfish, indifferent, dull, dizzy, as if drunk. Morose, self-willed, stubborn. Delirium after constant raving. Awkward, clumsy, throw things away, cannot do their routine work, let alone doing new things. Sensation as if pierced by ice cold needles or hot needles, as if a cold drop or cold weight on parts. It is an uncommon, strange, peculiar symptom. Mind it, it's a very important symptom. A single symptom can point a particular medicine. No need of consideration of other symptoms. Young, nervous, hysterical women faint after caution. Children slow in learning to talk, walk, convulsion after being punished. Physical journals of Agaricus muscarius. Symptoms appear slowly, trembling, twitching, jerking here and there. Eyelids and tongue are specially affected. Yawning before complaints. Intense vertigo and delirium. Uncertain and exaggerated motion, like patients reach too far, stagger, step too high, drop things. That is some awkward and haziness in movement and walking. Complaints appear diagonally, upper left, lower right. It's affection of upper left position and lower right position of the body. Upper left, lower right, this is seen in lidum, antimtart and stramonium. The upper right, lower left, it is also seen in ambragaceae, bromium, medurinum, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. etc. So both are here. In Agaricus muscarius, you can get upper left, lower right, also upper right, lower left. Both type. Affection of organs. Extreme sensitivity to cold air. This extreme sensitiveness to cold air is also seen in Calcarea carp, Cali carp, Suriname, Silesia. Nervousness, restlessness, chorea. Chorea, chorea is actually nervous disease. This is a chorea. This is a symptom of chorea. Apparently, you may feel that this they are dancing or thus making various postures. It is not that. It is a disease. It is painful movement of these hands and feet. Painful movement. This is chorea. Twitching, jerking, trembling. All better during sleep. Post-climacteric prolapses. Post-climacteric means the climacteric period is when the particular lady menstrual periods ceases naturally. That is between age of 42 or 45. 42 and 45. Every woman faces this problem. This is called climaxis. After this time is called post-climacteric period. So post-climacteric prolapses. Prolapse means some organ comes out of the uterus, of the vaginal canal. Say prolapse of the uterus, prolapse of the Bladder also possible. So internal organ when comes out through some opening is called prolapsus. Intolerable bearing down pain. It is also seen in Lilium, muriatic acid, sepia. Convulsion after coition. From suppressed milk. Yawning before complaints. Every motion, every turn of body causes pain in spine. Single vertebra sensitive to touch. Spine sensitive to touch. Uncertainty in walking. Stumble over everything on the way. Violent bearing down pains in females. Bearing down pain means the pain which gives the sensation that something would come out of the vaginal canal. The lady feels that something will come out of his vaginal canal. This is called bearing down pain. General aggravation and amelioration of Agaricus muscarius was cold air before thunderstorm, coition, debauchery, alcohol, pressure on spine, touch, morning, sun, fright during menses. Better, only 1 point, gentle motion. Particular symptoms of Agaricus muscarius. Particular symptoms means the symptoms of the part, body parts, say head, eye, etc. Head symptoms of Agaricus muscarius. Vertigo from sunlight, dull headache, must move the head to and fro. Head is in constant motion. Headache better after stool, urine. That is headache better after stool and urine. This is called natural discharge. Headache with nosebleeds or thick mucus discharge. That is along with headache, these are present. Nose bleeding going on or thick mucus discharge is coming. Pain as from nail in the right side of the head. Right side of the head sensation, some pain is being stuck there. Head drawn towards shoulder. Head drawn. This is head drawn towards shoulder. Now, as to particular symptom, this is individual symptom of the organs. Now, general symptom relates to the person. General symptoms relates to the person. These are of two types: physical general, mental general. Physical general means symptom of the whole body as a whole. Mental general is mental symptoms. These symptoms are most important symptom to identify a particular patient, not the disease. In homeopathy, disease is not the factor. Mind it. In homeopathy, disease is not the factor. Here, a person suffering from diarrhea. His diarrhea is diarrhea. There is very seldom different symptoms of diarrhea is there. But the person must be identified that this is the person who needs this medicine. So person identification is most important. There is a term in homeopathy called that homeopathy treats a patient, not the disease. Eye symptoms of Agaricus mus. Reading difficult. As alphabets seem to move, swim, double vision. Double vision. This is double vision. Vertical double vision. This is horizontal double vision. Oscillating eyeballs. Gum in canthi. In canthi means the corner of the eyes. There is thick discharge is there. Musky volatility. In front of the eye vision of the eye, within the vision field, there are some white particles like this type of, as you've seen here, a dancing. This is called musky volatility. This occurs due to some particle in the second chamber of the eye, that is vitreous chamber. When we need vitreous chamber, some disturbing particles are there. They cause this type of vision difficulty. Is called musky volatility. Twitching of eyelids, narrowing of spaces between eyelids, eyelids thick, dry, burning. Nystagmus, dancing eyes. That the eye is not fixed on a particular object. Squint. This is squint. When the two eyes cannot see a particular thing simultaneously. Two eyes. This is squint. Ear symptoms of Agaricus muscarius. Twitching of muscles about ear. Itching in the ear with redness and burning pain, as though they were frozen. No symptoms of Agaricus muscarius. Frequent sneezing without coryza. Coryza means inflammation. No inflammation, yet sneezing. Flow of clear water without coryza. Same thing. No inflammation, flow of clear water. Sneezing after coughing, itching externally, internally. Fetid, dark, bloody discharge from nose. That is an epistaxis of the old people. This is this picture. Epistaxis of old people. Face symptoms of Agaricus. Facial muscle feels stiff, twitch. Face blue, puffed. This is the picture. Face itches and burns. Pain in cheeks as from splinters. Neuralgia of face as if old, cold needles run through nerve. Mouth symptoms of Agaricus. Angle of mouth droop. This is drooping of angle of mouth. Drooping of angle of mouth. This is some partial paralysis actually from paralysis. Saliva runs out. Unknowingly, that is involuntarily, saliva runs out. Herpes on lips. Taste is sweet, bitter. Taste is in the tongue, sweet, bitter. Apathy on roof of the mouth. Tongue dry, tremulous. That is vibrating. Indistinct, jerky speech. Offensive breath. Halitosis. Swelling and bleeding of gum with pain. Throat symptom Agaricus muscarius. Feel, that is throat feel constricted. Small solid balls of phlegm thrown up without cough. The small solid balls of phlegm, that is mucus, thrown up without cough. Rare symptom. Dryness in throat with difficulty in swallowing. Stomach symptom Agaricus. Always thirsty. Empty eructation with tasting of apples or rotten eggs. Eructations alternate with hiccups. Sensation of a lump in epigastrium. Epigastrium is a region in the abdomen. In the abdomen has been divided into 9 quadrants here. This is called epigastrium. Others are right hypochondrium, left hypochondrium. This is umbilical region. This is right lumbar, left lumbar region. This is left iliac, right iliac, and hypogastric region. These 9 regions of abdomen are important for communication of medical terms. Now, where is the pain actually feels a particular patient? Doctor used this particular name. Sorry. Gastric disturbance with sharp pain in liver. Vomiting bitter with prostration with stitches in rectum and groin. Abdomen symptoms of Agaricus muscarius. Rumbling and fermenting in bowels. Profuse inodorous flatus. Diarrhea with fetid garlicky odor flatus. Diarrhea of children with gas green. Bilious stool. Flatus hot. Stitching in splenic region. This is a spleen. Just on the left side of the stomach lies the spleen. Urinary symptoms of Agaricus muscarius. Urine profuse, clear, lemon colored or colorless. Frequent urination, urine cold, flows slowly in drops, has to press for passing urine. Viscid glutinous mucus from urethra. Male genital symptoms of Agaricus. Seminal discharge hot, sexual desire increased, palpitation during coition. After coition, great debility, depressed feeling after sex, both in men and female, men and women. Premature ejaculation. There is an important problem of most of the men. Testis painfully retracted. Old glit complaints after sexual debauches. Female genital symptoms of Agaricus mus. Voluptuous itching, sexual excitement, menses too profuse, nipples itch, burn, look red during pregnancy. Complaints following parturition and coitus. Parturition means delivery of baby. Metastasis from suppressed milk to brain. Abdominal troubles. Metastasis means disease. Sometimes disease changes place. That is, one place is relieved, another place is affected. Say this particular milk is suppressed. That is, the lady's milk is suppressed means is now there is no milk, but his brain is affected. He is now in epilepsy attack, or his brain out of order, talking, muttering absurd words and sentences, meaningless. That is, his brain is affected, and is because there is suppression of milk. That is one disease manifested to another place. Or abdominal troubles. Suppressed milk, abdominal troubles. Milk is suppressed, then his diarrhea starts suddenly. Immense diarrhea starts. Leukorrhea, dark, bloody and excoriating. Patient unable to walk. Respiratory symptoms of Agaricus muscarius: chest seems too narrow, isolated attack of cough, then appears sneezing. Cough becomes as though from spine, easy expectoration of floculi or balls of mucus. Breathing oppressed and labored. Oppressed and labored breathing. Heart symptoms of Agaricus mus: palpitation during caution. Palpitation irregular, heavy with redness of face, worse from tobacco. That is, if tobacco is taken, this situation is worsened. From heart to left capilla, pressure. There is a pain feeling or pressure feeling from heart to left scapula. Burning, sticking pain. Angina pectoris with excessively pain only. Angina pectoris, you know angina pain, heart pain, anginal pain. Generally, this pain type of pain follows before heart attack. From sudden noise, from eructation, coughing, shock at the heart region. From this thing, sudden noise, from eructations, coughing, shock at the heart region, many troubles appears in Agaricus muscarius present heart troubles. Back symptoms of Agaricus muscarius: sensitive spine to touch and pressure, shooting, burning along spine. This is the picture of the spine bone. Whole picture of the spine bone: cervical spine, thoracic spine, lumbar spine. After lumbar comes sacrum, then coccyx. Spine sensitive to touch and pressure, shooting, burning along spine. Spine as if short, pain in lumbar sacral region, some sort of crick in the back extending from to nape of the neck. Nape of the neck is C1, cervical 1. This is nape of the neck. Worse from stooping, formication along spine. Formication is a feeling as if some ants or some small insects is walking along particular portions of skin. This is called formication. Lumbago works in the open air and sitting. Muscles on the back feel tight, as if they would break on bending, as if cold wind is blowing along the back. This feeling is called an aura. Aura means some sort of symptom which comes before a serious problem comes. Say a patient is going to have a fit of epilepsy, but before that he feels some trouble in his right hand. He always noted this, that when he is attacked by epilepsy, his right hand starts trembling. Then he goes into epilepsy. That particular right hand trembling is called aura. So as if cold wind is blowing along the back like an aura. Extremity symptoms of Agaricus muscarius: uncertain gait. Gait is the style of walking. Itching of toes and feet as if frozen. Cramps in soles, feet. Pain in shin bone, legs heavy. Violent pain in thighs on crossing them. Paralysis of lower limbs with slight spasms of arms. Spasms in arm, paralysis of the lower limbs. Numbness of legs on crossing them, buttock cold, pain in hips was lying. Arms restless, burning, itching of both hands as if frozen, trembling of hands, hand unsteady while writing. Skin symptoms, Agaricus: burning, itching, redness, swelling as if frozen, chilblains. Itching changes place on scratching. That is, you scratch, the place of itching sensation changes position. Skin pains when cold. Angioneurotic edema. Angioneurotic edema. This is angioneurotic edema. This is the picture of angioneurotic edema. Miliary eruption with intolerable itching and burning. Miliary eruptions. Very small type of eruption. Lakhs of thousands of small eruptions. Small eruption is called actually miliary. Itching over diseased parts. Slight injury causes ecchymosis. Ecchymosis means bluish discoloration of the skin. Generally occurs after internal bleeding. Sleep symptoms of Agaricus: frequent yawning before pain or spasms. Involuntary laughter precedes yawning. Both these symptoms are very, very important symptoms. Frequent yawning before pains or spasm. Involuntary laughter precedes yawn. On falling asleep, starts twitches and awake often. Fever symptoms Agaricus: sweats easily, sweats on alternate sides, chilled easily, night sweats. Before completion, keynotes of Agaricus once more. Involuntary movement while awake, spasmodic motion, chorea. Twitching and trembling runs through the entire remedy. Uncertainty while walking, stumbles over everything on the way. Great sensitiveness of the entire body. Chilblains and frostbite with itching, redness and burning intolerant. Complaints appear diagonally, upper right arm, lower left, or upper left arm, lower right. Pain as if touched or pierced by needles of ice or hot needles. Delirium with constant raving. Violent bearing down pain in females. At least 3 symptoms must be there of these keynotes for selection of the disease. At least 3 symptoms must be there. Complementary, calculate card, related, physostigma and tuberculin. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you got anything to say, please write down in the comment section. I will share it.